Hello guys, welcome back. If your Black & Decker portable air conditioner is not turning on at all and shows no signs of power, it can be frustrating because the unit appears completely unresponsive. This kind of issue may seem serious, but in many cases, it's related to simple things like power supply problems, safety cutoffs, or connection issues, rather than a complete failure of the unit. Portable ACs are designed with built-in protections, so if something isn't right, like overheating or improper setup, the system may refuse to start. The key is to check each possible cause step by step and make sure the unit is receiving proper power and operating under normal conditions. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to fix the no power issue and get your air conditioner running again. Try these. Step 1. Check that the AC is properly plugged into a working power outlet. Step 2. Try a different outlet to rule out power supply issues. Step 3. Disconnect the unit from power, wait for a minute, and reconnect it. Step 4. Inspect the power cord and plug for any visible damage. Step 5. Check if the unit has triggered a safety cutoff due to overheating. Step 6. Press the power button again and confirm if the unit turns on.